A very warm welcome to all from 60 and Traveling. I'm Sunita.
And I'm Rajiv. Friends, today we are going on a tour of Kenai Fjords, a boat tour, and this is in near Anchorage in Alaska.
Right, we are at what's the name of this place? Seward.
Seward. It's
We are at
Seward.
Seward,
We are
and-
at Seward Harbour, from where our boat is going to start shortly.
And it's going to be a 6-hour tour
Yes.
of the fjords. And there are a lot of things to be seen, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy our video.
Yes.
So stay tuned.
Please.
This is the view of the harbour at Seward, and we are all set to board the boat for our cruise.
This is the boarding card for our boat tour today.
We are boarding the boat now. We're gonna have fun, Rajiv, isn't it? Let's just look at the view from here. We're on a boat, which is gonna take us to the Kenai Fjords and the glaciers as well. I'm really excited. There we are. Oh. Just started with a tour. 6-hour tour.
The boat in which we are traveling is having 2 floors and total capacity of about 200 passengers.
Pop this open, place it over your head like so. Wrap this strap around onto that D-ring like so. Then you can pull this line here taut, secure it from your top. Alright?
One has the option of sitting inside the cabin in the boat with tables and chairs provided. Alternatively, one can sit out in the open too and enjoy almost freezing cold, strong breeze, choppy sea, and some truly awesome views.
What a speed at which we are going! Wow! कितना मजा आ रहा है मेरे साइड में भी so many boats. This is really so much fun. Water is really choppy today. So we have to balance ourselves to keep moving around. Never realized that going through the fjords would be such an amazing experience.
We are in Pacific Ocean right now in the Gulf of Alaska. As you can see, the sky is overcast, foggy.
These fjords are supposed to be the most picturesque fjords in Alaska, and truly they are. What beauty all around, and it's so different from what we've ever seen before. Birds. view around is really magical. There are lush forests around, towering walls of rocks, and then wildlife on the rocks. Wow, what is that right in front of us? Stellar sea lions. Lovely. See, there's one getting up on the rocks there. Oh, so cute. The way it's going up. And so many of them on the rocks. So fun. And the sound of the seagulls. Isn't it amazing? Which one? Ah, another one there.
Staying sea lions spend majority of the time out of the water like that. Kind of not conserving energy. This water's cold, right? So these animals generally
The mesmerizing beauty all around. Be it mountains, some are snow-capped, clear ocean water, wildlife on shore as well as in the ocean, and of course the glaciers too.
There's a boat there. Look at the view around. Wow. The glaciers at the back.
And there's the tail again, way out there. All right, yeah.
I'm just so glad to be near the glacier. And what a big surprise!
It's moving.
Guess
now.
what's there in front of us? A bear. Oh, we're so lucky.
It's walking now.
Now we are nearing the Holgate glacier. This is a more than 5-mile long tidal wave mountain glacier, and for almost 5 kilometers it flows through the rugged mountains of Kenai National Park. It originates in the Harding ice field, which is the largest ice field in the entire USA. It flows outward from the Harding ice field towards the Holgate arm of Lick Bay. Just see the awesome sight. We are within almost, let us say figuratively, handshake distance of Holgate Glacier, and the sight is awesome, stunning. We don't have words to describe it.
What do we're not going home.
Holgate glaciers.
So I'm going to get the engines going
The Kenai Fjords.
and we'll start moving the other direction.
Nearly an hour and a half to reach this place, and it was really worth it. Just look at the Europe. Oh. And these are the surprise glaciers.
Flowing down the trail.
It's cold.
The Harding ice field is huge.
below
It's
32
about
degrees.
30 miles long
It's frozen.
and about 20 miles
Oh,
wide.
it
of
could
ice.
potentially be over 400
So
years
all
old.
that's exposed to
Yep. Because
the
this
air here
ice
in the
is layered and
summertime, even though it's
condensed
pretty chilly,
over a really
there's
long
so
time.
much ice up there.
And
There's a
this
lot of
ice
melt
all
water
flows
coming
from the
off
Harding
it.
ice field, which is
You
7
actually
miles
can
away.
have rivers
So by the
flowing
time
on
the
top
ice
of
actually
the
makes
ice
it up
for
here
a
to
while,
the
but
front
eventually
of the
they
glacier
find
to
a
cap
crack
off,
in the ice or
it's
a
super
hole in the
old
ice,
by that point.
and then they'll plunge straight.
There's another one here. You can see another glacier. Quite a big one. And a few icebergs there as well. But I don't think I'm going to go near it.
The good part of whale watching is actually whale waiting, we like to say.
A preview of humpback whales in high seas. Our next video will cover mainly the whale watching and whale feeding. So please leave your
On our way back now, but do stay tuned for a very exciting video on whales, our next video. Till then, bye.